guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been a really long time since I recorded. Just been so busy with work and everything, and the holidays coming around, so I'm just happy to be back and show you guys this fabulous hair. Oh my god, let me just tell you, first off, this hair is from Bestlacewigs. You guys know I really like that company. I love their bundled hair. This is the Brazilian deep wave, and when I first got this hair out the package, I was looking like, this is going to be a matted mess. I had that feeling. But I said, you know what? Let's just give it a try. So I washed the hair. I pre-lightened this hair. And the curls came out gorgeous, you guys. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like after I let it air dry. As far as my bundles, I have 3 full bundles, which I installed. All 3 bundles are 20 inches, along with a 14-inch closure, which you can see 14-inch and 20-inch. It's definitely possible. You don't have to necessarily order like a long closure to match your bundles, you know, if you're trying to save money. I need to go in here and just blend it a little bit, but I'm not exactly sure how I want to wear this hair. If I want to wear it on the other side, because I'm kind of doing like that flip over method kind of thing. So I really didn't go in too much with my razor, because I'm not trying to take up too much hair as far as making it blend or whatever. I installed this here onto a mesh dome cap, and I get these from my local beauty supply store. They're only $2.99. I actually like these better than the normal dome caps. Just as far as like durability and stretchability as well, I think they work really well. I went ahead and pre-lightened this hair just using some developer and bleach. And I was going to tone it, but I said, you know what, I actually like this color itself. I'm going to leave it like this because I haven't had hair like this color and curly and big, and I don't even know ever. As far as products that I use on this hair, so what I did was after I colored it, I went and shampoo and conditioned the hair, and then while it was still wet, I like to use 2 different products to help define the curls. And my hair is not hard, it's not crunchy or anything like that. That is just the deep wave texture that this Brazilian hair gives. DevaCurl styling cream looks like this. And then I also like to use this Sebastian whipped cream. Oh, I just love this stuff. I like to put a little bit of that on the hair when it's wet. That way it helps define the curls a little bit. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy or hard. That's not the look that I want. Very soft. And this hair is just so gorgeous, you guys. I was really doubting this hair. I have to be completely honest with you guys. If you're looking for these products, you can either find these at Ulta, or you can find these at your professional beauty supply stores. And as far as my edge control, I'm loving this so much. This is by Care, and this is the Edge Tamer. I'm going to tell you guys, if you get hair like that with a deep wavy texture, make sure you wash it first. Comb it out and wash it so that you can see the true curl pattern. Be sure to check out the description box, you guys. Bestlacewigs is having a nice little holiday sale, so be sure to check it out. We'll have some coupon codes below for you guys. In other words, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.